The Australian cattle dog is a breed of herding dog bred in Australia to herd cattle. They're often called heelers because they would often nip the heels of cattle while herding. They are known to be obedient, cautious, energetic, loyal, protective, and brave, which makes them great for their job and great guard dogs. Males stand up to 18 to 20 inches at the shoulder and weigh 33 to 49 pounds, while females stand from 17 to 19 inches. They should be supervised around small children due to their tendencies to nip and high prey drive. Acts require 1 to 2 hours of exercise and mental stimulation, being high energy and intelligent herding dogs.